Hey guys, welcome back to Kelly's Creations. Today's a somewhat different video as I'm going to show you a project that we've been working on since last September. I have the most wonderful husband in the world and he deserved his own little space. Well, part of it's a shared space. So we ended up buying one of these buildings, which is so stinking cute. Look how much room is inside this building. There's 2 lofts, a front door, a little porch. Oh my goodness. We had the doors, those 2 doors were moved. They originally were supposed to be on the side and we had it moved to the back. And this is a project that we've been wanting to do for so long and it's going to benefit us both. So this is the view from the front door all the way down. This is a view from the front porch. Look how stinking cute this little building is. Oh my gosh. Well, it's not little. And that's the side view. The back is where we put the barn doors. Those originally were going to be on the side, and we added a light so that we would have light when we're doing projects out back. Now, the back of this building going through the barn doors is going to be a shop, but the front of the building is going to be the man cave that my husband has always wanted. We started off by spraying the ceiling black. We added stairs because it didn't come with any stairs. My husband did such a good job. We built the stairs and we are going to stain that. Then he started building a wall. This is going to separate the man cave from the shop. It has its own box for electricity and it is hooked up. We had it wired and everything. And this is the shop part. Oh my gosh. I have always wanted a shop for my channel. And now all of our tools are in one spot. They used to be up in the attic, all over the place. So it was really hard for me to do bigger projects on my channel. But now we have our own shop to work on projects. So expect to see some bigger projects this year. He's organized it and it's still a work in progress. We're still working on this, but it's coming along. I absolutely love that we have this space now and that we can open up the barn doors and that opens it up to work outside as well, especially with that light when it starts getting a little darker. So here is the shop part. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Then we started working on the man cave. We bought shiplap that was already painted, distressed, all that good stuff. And we started putting shiplap up on the walls. This was so time consuming. Oh my goodness. All the little cuts, all the different ways we had to put it up because not all the pieces would meet the stud. So we were kind of inventive there. And I'm going to show you it as we went along here. This took probably a good month, working on the weekends and at night. Here is a nighttime picture, and here is the fans we had installed. He has 2 fans that are on the man cave side. So, oh my goodness, me and him did this together. Now, we did hire somebody for the electrical work and to install more outlets in the building. It came with, I think, 6 outlets, so we had more put in. But as far as the walls and everything, we did all of this work ourselves. And it was a lot of fun. I absolutely love these shiplap walls. I absolutely love this. Now, for that wall, we decided to go with paneling. And just to have something different, not all the walls being shiplap, that paneling kind of offsets it. And my husband installed a floating floor, which is beautiful. You guys have seen this floor before because it's the same floor we have in our kitchen. And we got it from Lowe's. It's very inexpensive. It's inexpensive if you price it as far as other floors. But it's perfect. And it just, to me, when we're in this building, it makes us feel like we're in a cabin in Tennessee because it just has that warm, cozy outdoor feeling. So we use part of the paneling to make a door on that wall. And when the door's closed, you really can't tell that there's a door there, which is really neat. It kind of blends in, as you see here, with the wall. And we started, after all the walls were up, we just started putting his favorite pieces. We got a couple chairs. His dream has always been to have a space and to own a pinball machine. So that was next on the list. We found a pinball machine on Facebook Marketplace, and he is in heaven. Oh my gosh. My husband has loved pinball since 30 years ago when I met him. And this has been a dream of his to have his own pinball machine. So we found this one and we just couldn't pass it up. My husband is also a huge University of Michigan fan. He has been since he was little. So the rest of the man cave is decorated with a lot of Michigan memorabilia and decorations and just having everything he loves. We've always loved to play darts, so of course we had to put a dartboard on the wall, and that bumper sticker is on the floor, and that's where you stand to throw the darts. It's still a work in progress. We still have more we want to add, but I really wanted to share this with you. We got him some furniture off of Amazon and just started decorating. A lot of this stuff has been in storage because we really didn't have a room or a place to put his Michigan stuff. And now he has his own area to display all of his favorite things, and I'm so happy for him. We just went Michigan crazy in here. The old PS3 was brought out. It's just going to be a fun place for friends and family when they visit to have another area just to go out and enjoy themselves and have just a great time. We added a string of those lights that stick, and you can make them different colors. So he has it on blue, of course. Vegas is one of our favorite destinations. We got married in Vegas, so this is, like I said, it's decorated with all of the things that bring us joy and bring him happiness, and just for him to have his own little piece of heaven on our property for him to go and relax. I have my craft room. There's my place that I go to get away and relax, and now he has his own space as well. So I just wanted to bring you guys along and show you how we purchased this building and what we turned it into. He gets his man cave that he's wanted for 30 years. What man doesn't want a man cave? And then we get a shop that we can share together. We purchased this little shed as well to put the mower and all the lawn equipment. Our original plan was going to be to put it in the shop part. Then we got thinking, and we really didn't want it to smell like gasoline and grass. So we purchased this little shed out back, and that stores our lawnmower and all of our shovels and all that kind of stuff. And it's separate from the building, which we are so glad we made that decision. So we're going to come on and I'm going to give you one last tour. Actually, I'm not going in yet. I'm so sorry. We're going to walk around. I can't remember how big this building is. I am going to put it in the description box down below. I know when we went to the lot, they sell a bunch of different buildings, a bunch of different sizes, and this is the one that we fell in love with. You got to pick what color paint you wanted, and we have some pretty big property. We have 2.25 acres, so we had the space to put it. He's always wanted it, and yeah, I just never in a million years did I think it would turn out this good. So We have no experience, none whatsoever. We always do these projects. We always have good intentions. We do these projects, and it always seems to work out. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid if you don't know exactly what to do or how to do something. We watch videos just like you guys do. If we're stuck, turn on a YouTube video. There are YouTube videos to how to do everything, even laying that floor. And the satisfaction from doing it yourself is just so, not overwhelming, but it's satisfying. It just, yeah, you can say, I did this. And we go out there at night and watch movies or play pinball or play darts. And it's, like I said, it's like another little escape on our property. So here we go. Now we're gonna come in. This is the view when you walk in, with the lights and his favorite little doodads. There's a refrigerator in there. Eventually, my dream is to have a Miss Pac-Man machine. I have always loved Miss Pac-Man. And yeah, that would be like a dream of mine, to have one of those sit-down arcade Miss Pac-Man machines. So hopefully one day that'll be the next thing that we add. That's the loft inside of the man cave. I got him that game room sign for Christmas this year. And this is the view of the man cave when you're standing at the front door. So much fun. We are going to extend the wall, because we noticed this year when we were heating it, a lot of air goes out that back. So we are extending it. We're going to make that one solid wall, but that's going to be done this summer. There's his little piece of heaven, his own little pinball machine. And man, we have a blast going out there at night playing that. Oh my gosh, it's so much fun.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm if I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on.
The man cave is a favorite, but man, this shop just makes me smile, because now I can do some projects for my YouTube channel, so this benefits both of us. We're so blessed and grateful to be able to have done this, and it's just a little piece of heaven on our property. And now all the stuff that's always been in storage throughout all these years, he can put out, and we both can enjoy it, and friends and family can enjoy it as well. So I know this isn't a DIY, but I like to share with you projects that we do. So I documented start to almost finish. There's still a few more things we need to do here, but start to almost finish of this project. And I had to share it with my friends. I just had to let you guys know that besides working full-time jobs, doing my YouTube channel, we did this as well. And I'm so glad we did it, because it's so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're new to my channel, check out my playlist, check out some of my videos, and I will have a new video for you next Tuesday. I hope everybody has a blessed and most wonderful week. I love y'all so much. See you next Tuesday, guys. Bye, y'all.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?